In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get CDKeys discount code. So let's get started. CDKeys is an online store where you can purchase games and etc. So now you might be wondering on how you can get a discount code for this. Well, you'll have to go to your web browser and search up CDKeys discount code. So once that is done, you'll have to scroll down until you see the website Coupon Follow. So once you've seen this website, you'll have to click on it, and then you're gonna see all the coupon codes here. So as you guys can see, that is the logo right there, and the first one is get up to 30% off. So I'm gonna click on it, and this is the code to get a 30% off EUR. So you just have to copy it and then click redeem at CDKeys. So you just have to pick your favorite game, and at checkout you'll have to write this code and you get a 30% off. And you can see that it was verified as well, so verified working 22 hours ago. So yeah, it's gonna work for you. Then there are many other codes you can also use. For example, enjoy 10% off CDKeys. So you can click on it and get a 10% discount using this code FUT2200. Well, if these codes don't work, you can always go to some other websites. So I'm gonna close it. Well, I'm gonna go to this website, rethrift.com. Alright, so as you guys can see, many here as well. So the first one says best CDKeys, you can up to 90% off best selling video games. So as you guys can see, it was used 1023 times, but the success rate is pretty low, which makes sense as it is 90% off. You can click show code and give it a try, just in case maybe you get a 90% discount. So that's the code QTB, and then you can also use the other codes as well. But I prefer to use the codes which have a high success rate, but there aren't much here, so you can always try these ones only. So 7% off, you can copy this code and yeah, you can go with it. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.